All right, so this lesson is writing the vertex form when you're given a vertex and a point. So the problem will say something like, which quadratic function in vertex form can be represented by the graph that has a vertex at 3, 6 and passes through the point 4, 4. So you're going to be given two coordinates, one that's a vertex and one that's a point. And we're going to plot these in decimals. All right, so when you get to decimals, you're going to press the plus sign and you're going to add a table. From the table, you're going to put your points here, which were 3, 6, 4, and 4. So your 2 points are up here, so we're going to pull it down, drag it down, so that way we can see the 2 points a little bit better. Then we're going to click in this space right here, this empty space, so that we can write the equation. So let's test choice A. Y equals -2 parentheses x plus 3 close parentheses. Then you're going to press shift number 6 at the same time. Release your hand, press 2. Then you're going to press the right arrow across, -6. Notice that you do not see a blue curve on any of these red dots. That's because the blue curve is going to be somewhere down here. We want our graph to touch these two red dots, where 3, 6 is the tippity top or the tippity bottom of your curve. So we know A is not our answer. Let's erase that and let's try B. Y equals parentheses x plus 3 close parentheses, shift number 6 at the same time, 2. Right arrow across, -6. Once again, we are not on the 2 red dots. So let's try C. Y equals 2 parentheses x minus 3 close parentheses, shift number 6, 2. Right arrow across, +6. We got one of the red dots, but we need both. So C cannot be my answer. One more try. We already know D is the answer, but we're going to test it anyway. -2 parentheses x minus 3 close parentheses, shift number 6, press 2. Right arrow across, +6. And you can see that both of the red dots are on that curve, on the green curve. So our answer is D.